you're a Shopify store owner, here is how to increase your margins in these next couple of days.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Okay, these are strategies that I've used to increase profit margins, not just negotiating with your supplier, but also pushing product bundles, upsells, and etc. to save money on shipping and not paying so much for separate orders. Because a lot of us are getting killed by our fulfillment centers because we're paying for a separate fulfillment fee when we could be bundling products and making our margins higher. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this. So number one, first thing to increase your product margins is to see your current conversion rate and how you can raise your prices. Because I've done this with many products, just like the hair oil that's in my 0 to 1 mil challenge. We started at $19.99, and as I started to see conversion rates, as I started to see quality of buyers, I was able to raise it all the way up to $27, and that's almost a 30% hike. That's what you can do with your products right now, is to see what your current conversion rate is. If your conversion rate is 3%, and you take your product from $29 to $39, your conversion rate maybe will slip to 2.1. 2.05, 2.1, 2.15. If you actually do the numbers, you're gonna make more money even if the conversion rate is less. What do you also do? You also get more high quality front end buyers into your ecosystem, because what's gonna happen after the $39 comes through, right? They have upsells. They're more willing to bundle stuff because of the price gap in the beginning that they think is perceived value or just heightened value. So for example, I sell one bottle of hair oil for 39 bucks. Right? If I were to do that, which it depends on the product and the niche of what you decide to sell. But let's say, I had it at $19.99. If my ad cost is 14 bucks to make 19, I'm not really profit because I have product costs, fulfillment fee, shipping. I don't make money. But now that it's 27, right? If I have one bottle of 27, that means 2 bottles is $54. But if I only do a minimum of 2 bottles, I can sell it for 49, 47. It now makes me make more money just by bundling the product into a higher quantity. It's the whole buy more and save ordeal. So bundling your products into certain bundles. So there's a landing page that works right now for us where it's 2 bottle, 3 bottle, 4 bottle bundles. And most of the people in the store are taking the 2 bottle, but we're still making money on it because technically, if it's only costing me 22 to 25 bucks to get the customer, I'm still making on average a $45 to $47 sale. So I'm actually being able to stretch my margins. My fulfillment fee is 1, even though it's 2 bottles, right? I'm making more money because also my shipping is only $1.50 higher because I include the second bottle, and that makes the weight higher. But if I were to have 2 separate orders, I'm paying fulfillment fee here, fulfillment fee here, and shipping, and processing fee and processing fee. I'm paying twice as much money by not bundling the product together. The second way that you increase your Shopify product margins is by having more upsells. So if they buy my hair oil, they get upsells like the scalp oil, the beard oil, the shampoo and conditioner. Having products that are more congruent so you can include them all in one order and bundle it, you now even save more in fulfillment, more on product cost, and more on shipping because you're not having them in separate orders as well. You can then combine those orders. And if you're wondering how do you combine orders in Shopify, you could just use the app called Order Merger. That's a good app. And then also there's just one called Mergify. Those are really good Shopify apps that help you merge your orders. Number 3 is going to be negotiating with the supplier, using credit lines to get bigger bulk orders. Because when you start scaling your e-com store and let's say you're paying, and let's do the math on this while I pull up my phone. So let's say you're paying, right now, let's say you're paying $5.50 a bottle, right? $5.50 a bottle, or whatever your product unit is. And we're gonna times that by 2,000 quantity. That's $11,000. But if I were to negotiate and say, hey, listen, I want to pay, let's say, $5.50. Let's say even you get a 20-cent break, right? If I said $5.30 times that same 2,000, that's $10,600. I'm saving $400 by just simply buying in bulk, right? And that $400 can help you with shipping, can help you with processing fees, can help you with the shipping fee to get it to the warehouse, whatever the case may be. You're gonna save more money long-term, even if it is 20 cents. So you gotta think about everything that you do in your business is basically with inventory, it's like a pennies game. you need to also understand that if you can get your fulfillment fee down, I was able to negotiate my fulfillment fee down from $4 to $1.50 with just one phone call. So what is that? I'm saving $2.50 per order that goes out. If I'm doing 1,000 orders a month, that's over $2,500 that I'm saving just on fulfillment fees, which $2,500 times 12, that's, I don't know how much it is a year, but it's almost $30,000 a year that I'm saving just because I was able to negotiate of how much orders and supply that I'm doing. Because if I'm making bulk orders, then you're not just saving money on the bulk orders, you're also going to be able to negotiate, say, listen, I'm buying 2,000, 5,000 bottles. You need to bring your fulfillment fee down from $4 to $1.50 because I'm a worthwhile client. And you can negotiate those things. Also, as you implement then your bundles and your upsells and all that, you can have a lower shipping cost because you can logistically negotiate as well. So you got to think about those things. Also, optimize your packaging. We're running these in a glass bottle right now. I've been told that plastic will be tough, but plastic bottles would allow the shipping cost to be even cheaper. They wouldn't have to go in boxes. They could go in those, pick and pack slips. Even throughout US could be $2. Could be a lot cheaper. So I have to think about how I'm going to basically do product optimization now and how I can bundle the products better, less weight, also quantity, fulfillment fee, negotiation, all those kind of things. Because it's really good skill to be able to sell a product, but it's actually a really different skill to be able to sell your own company, sell yourself, and get suppliers to give you the benefit of the doubt. So that's an unhoned skill that you should be tapping into. I really suggest that you would pull out like a sheet, an Excel sheet, go over your numbers, how much each order actually costs you, and that'll be able to help you hone in on your ad costs as well and see how much you're actually making per customer. A good app I do recommend for this would be Lifetimely. That's a very good app. Helps you see your LTV cohorts, and also lets you see the biggest winners in your upsell funnels and how much your customer is actually worth to you and what your costs are, COGS, fulfillment costs, shipping, actually going down to the profit to the penny. So I hope this video gave you value in how to increase your product margins. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe for daily content just like this to help you in your business journey in 2022. But my name is Jason Wojo, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run